So hello guys, what's up? My name is Anany Jain and today I'm going to unbox this. So guys, this is Jabra Talk 45 Bluetooth Monopod and also I'm going to give a review of this product and tell you the features. So now let's start the video. So friends, this is the box of the Jabra Bluetooth Monopod and there are many Bluetooth Monopods by Jabra, but this is the Jabra Talk 45. And here are some of the features mentioned, like 2 microphones and HD voice. This product supports noise cancellation and you can work up to 6 hours with this product continuously. Yes. So now let's see this box from every angle. So here is the picturization of all the box contents. And if we see the back side of this box, here are more features mentioned, like stream from your phone. Yes, you can stream from your phone with the help of this device, and this dedicates the Siri and Google Assistant also. So here there is the tagline. So now let's open the box. I have my unboxing knife ready. Oops. So in the box you will get, now let's see what's in the box. So in the box you will get one more box and there is something more. This, oh, it's not coming outside. Oh, oops. Yeah, so this is our monopod. You can see how beautiful it is looking. So now let's keep it aside. Now let's see what's in this box. Oops. So in the box you will get one manual and we'll get extra hook and these buds. If we see more, you will get one short USB to USB type C cable. Yeah, and has one more thing, which is the charger. This is only for use in the car. Yeah, you have to use this charger in the car. So friends, now let's talk about the main device. So let us take out it from this box. You can see this is our device, and can you see this button? So this is for on and off. Can you see this small thing? So here you can put the charger. I will show you how. First you have to open it like yeah, like this. You can connect the charging cable over here. So this is the outer side. So here are the microphones and here it is written Jabra, but this is the connecting or disconnecting button. You can click it like this, and if you will double click, so it will connect to your last call. Yes, and you can remove this bud like this, and if you want to wear it in the left ear, so you just have to change the just a minute, like this. You have to change the direction like this. So I will again take it to the right ear. Yeah. Now let's turn on this device. So here you can see one light. So friends, now I am going to show you the Jabra Assist app. So now let's go to my mobile phone screen. So guys, now I am on my mobile phone to show you the Jabra Assist app. So you can see in the corner of my mobile
there is the logo of Jabra Assist app, and we will click on it, and then we'll click on connect new device. By the way, I have already connected my Jabra device, which is Talk 45, and now we'll click on. So guys, this is the message readout option. It will read the message to you. Then we'll go and find my Jabra, and then from here you can search the location of a Jabra. And then here you will get the manuals of all the Jabra devices. So we will see the manual of Jabra Stock 45. So friends, this is the manual of the Jabra Stock 45. This is a 14-page e-manual. You can see headset overview, how to wear, attaching the accessories. So guys, this is the manual. And guys, you can download this Jabra Assist app from Apple App Store and Google Play Store for free. You can see the manual. It is a very descriptive and informative. Now we will go back.
As you can see now, I have worn my Jabra Talk 45 and it has fitted me very comfortably and easily. So guys, this was all in this video and I hope this review was very helpful to you all. Like this video, share this video and send your thoughts in the comment box. Until now, if you are not subscribed my channel, so guys, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will be notified from all the videos first.